Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and right now I want to explain to you why I bought AMC stock again and why there might be more potential for a second squeeze. And so we're going to get straight into the charts. So we're looking at AMC right now on the daily time frame. And before I get into what happened today, I want to go over what we have seen in the past here for AMC. So this is a trading channel that we have been trading in for AMC since about 2015, okay? Why that is so important right now is because the top line here of this trading channel has acted as a line of resistance a whole bunch of times along this pattern, as well as a line of support you can see a whole bunch of times throughout the years. And so what I was looking at today for AMC, and the reason why I decided to hop back in, was because we actually broke that line today. And so if I zoom in on the price action here today, we're gonna zoom it in onto the 30-minute time frame. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what happened here. So those of you guys who have been watching me for a while know that I've talked about AMC in the past, as I did let people know about the first short squeeze at around $2.33. And so I'm back here today. I'm not saying a squeeze is going to happen, but on a technical basis, what happened today was very extraordinary. And so that is what I want to go into in depth right now. And so what happened today? We started off extremely low today, tested lows of $6.99. So we were really down in the gutters today. But the price action that we saw after got insane. And so when we started going up here, I was watching, and I was waiting to see if we were going to break this line of resistance. And so we broke this line. We never really got our back test. And so we did kind of top out right here, and so we came back down again, and then here we started testing a second line of support that I was personally watching because I was waiting to get into this stock today. And so we held that line very nicely right here, and this is exactly where I ended up buying a position right under about $8. I ended up hopping in here on AMC. You can see the volume that we saw right after this point. We touched highs here today of $9.82. And so GameStop was also going crazy. And so I just want to put a disclaimer out for everybody who's watching. I'm not part of Wall Street Bets, nor do I follow Wall Street Bets, nor do I know what they're doing. I strictly look at the movement and price action. So all of that other news and all of the hype, it is told in the price action, and that is what I read. And it's easier to read the charts because it filters all the BS that is out there. So everything that happens here is very objective, and which is why it's so valuable to watch these charts. And so when I saw us break this 5-year line of resistance at $7.83, that was an opportunity for me to hop in. And so what is the plan here for AMC? So we have earnings coming up on AMC. We have a lot of short interest on AMC, and we have a nice pickup in volume that we have recently seen in AMC. So right now could be the part 2, the battle that we've been waiting for. The story continues. We might have lost the battle in the first round, but the war is not over yet. The fear of mine is the fact that we went up so much the last 3 days that we might not get that super green day that we're looking for. But on a technical basis, that might not be the worst thing, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. Since about February 3rd, you can see we have been making a very beautiful cup right here, and so the handle is what would come next in a setup like this. And so what would that look like? That would look like a couple down days, maybe even one down day. And so the price would come down right here, and this would be a very nice opportunity to buy that dip. The reason why I think that is so important right now with this chart is because of the fact that we broke that 5-year line of resistance. So creating a cup and handle is one thing, but creating a cup and handle above a 5-year line long resistance is absolutely nuts. And so the returns that you could see on this type of movement could be drastic. And so there's going to be a lot of speculation right now in AMC and GameStop. Is this short squeeze part 2? Is this going to 100? Is this going to 1,000? That is not something I can tell you. I am here to let y'all know that the chart setup on this thing looks absolutely amazing right now. And so it's so crazy how fast you can go from bearish to bullish in the stock market. And the fact that we broke that resistance and now we are creating a cup and handle shows that this stock looks ready to go. And after hours, it is absolutely going. So those of you who are in this stock, fasten those seatbelts, buckle up, because it's about to be a crazy ride in this stock, and I can't wait to see what happens with this stock. So I hope y'all have your helmets on because this is about to get nutty. And so if you guys enjoyed this quick little update video on AMC, don't forget to like. We are on that road to 10K subs. So if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.